In addition to automating backups and duplicates, Retrospect will also allow you to automate the restore of your data. So you can click on Manage Scripts, you can click on New, and you can choose Restore. Then you click OK, and you give your restore name, your restore script, and you go to your source, and your source is very similar to something we've seen previously. You choose your backup set at the top, you choose the snapshot that contains the files you want to recover, you click OK, you choose a destination where you want to restore the files, you pick your restore options, either retrieve files and folders or restore entire disk or whatever your needs are, and then you can go down to schedule, you can add a schedule, and you can pick, let's say if you need to restore a computer in a lab back to its original state every night, then you can pick the specific dates that you want it to run on. And now every night on those specific nights or those specific times, it will go ahead and execute the restore of that data. And you can have it replace data on the drive or restore data to a new folder. Sometimes users will use this if they have a large number of jobs that need to be restored and there won't be anybody there to execute a manual restore process. And so you can queue up a lot of restore jobs by scheduling them all to happen on the same night, but maybe only a minute apart. So one of the things we can see is by adding a new schedule, we can do a single date schedule. The single date schedule is available in backup scripts as well as restore scripts, but it allows us to go in and specify, I want to restore this one time and one time only, and not having it reoccur over and over again. And so that is a nice option for a single point in time restore that needs to take place after hours. Retrospect also gives you the ability to schedule different operations for many areas of the program. In fact, when I go to backup, and I'm in the immediate backup window, I choose my source, and I choose my destination. And Retrospect gives us the ability to click the Schedule button down here at the bottom. And if we click Schedule, and give it a name, Retrospect will actually create a script for us and allow us to just click on the Schedule button and add a schedule using the previous settings. So any settings you may have had during that immediate backup are transferred over to the scheduled backup under the immediate backups schedule button. You also see the same thing during duplicate. So at the bottom of a duplicate window, we have a schedule button, and that allows you to quickly create a script based on the same settings you see in this window. So if you had changed to documents only and you chose the schedule, that scheduled backup is going to use this same setting for that operation. We also see the same thing once again under the restore. If I go to immediate restore and I go into the advanced mode and I go in here, you'll see a schedule button at the bottom. And so Retrospect will create all these different scripts and they'll all appear under the automate tab under manage scripts. And so every time I create a new script, no matter where it is in the program, they will all appear inside the script window so that you can edit those scripts and make changes at a later date. Retrospect has a couple of other different types of scripts that we're going to talk about later on in the training.